Hello everyone. Today we are going to revise chapter number 15, that is probability. So let us start question number 1. The blood groups of some students of the class 9 were surveyed and recorded as follows. So blood group and the number of students: A having 19 students, B having 6 students, AB having 13 students, and O having 12 students. So on the basis of this information, if a student is chosen at random, find the probability that he or she has blood group A or AB, right? So how many of the total students have A? So there are 19, and how many are the total students? So we have not given, so we have to find the total of all these, right? So you can find the total 3 to 5, 5 and 6 11, 11 9 20, carrying 2 and 1 3, 4 5. There are 50 total students. So the probability of having blood group A is 19 by 50, right? So you can see here also the total students are 50, and the number of students having blood group A is separately 19 by 50. We have given OR, so for the OR condition we have to add A and AB. So for A and AB, if you find the total is 32, so the required probability is 32 by 50. This is wrongly given 38, so this is 32 by 50. Clear? So let us start question number 2. This is, we have given a group of 80 students of class 10 are selected at random and ask for their choice of the subject to be taken in class 11, which is recorded as below. PCM, that is physics, chemistry, maths; PCB, that is physics, chemistry and biology; commerce, humanities, and the total we have given, and the number of the students whose choice is PCM is 29, whose PCB is 18, commerce is 21, humanity is 12, and total is 80. Now on the basis of this table, if a student is chosen at random, find the probability that he or she is the student of either commerce or humanities. Or we have given, so we have to add commerce and humanities, right? So commerce and humanities together is 33, right? So the total number of students are 80, that. Or we have given, so the humanity stream and commerce stream together having 33, so the required probability is 33 by 80. So this is the chance when you have given OR condition, right? With the OR condition, so for the OR condition we have to add these two, right? So let us start the third one. Here a box containing 50 bolts 150 nuts. On checking the box, it was found that the half of the bolts and half of the nuts are rusted, means 25 and 75, right? If one item is chosen at random, find the probability that it is rusted. So you can find at first the total number of the nuts and bolts, that is 150 plus 50 is 200. Then the number of nuts and bolts rusted are half, so you can find the half of total, that is 200 by 2, that is 100. Now the rusted nuts are 100 out of 200, right? So you can add them, that is 100 by 200, that is 1 by 2. Or you can find the half of 50, that is 25, and half of 150, that is 75. If you add them, it is also 100, the same, right? So let us start the next one. A dice rolled the number of times and its outcomes are recorded. So outcomes you can see here is 1 frequency 35 times, 2 comes 45 times, 3 comes 50 times, 4 comes 38 times, 5 comes 53 times, 6 comes 29 times. Find the probability of getting the odd number. So let us find the solution. So odd numbers are 1 3 5, right? So at first we will find the total of all the outcomes, that is 250. If you add 35 45 50 38 53 and 29, you will get 250. Now the total outcomes, that is getting odd numbers, that is at 1 3 and 5. You will add these three, you will get 138. Now probability of getting the odd number is number favorable to the odd, that is 138, and the total number of outcomes is 250. After cutting you will get 69 by 125. So this is the solution. Now let us start question number 5. The probability of guessing the correct answer of a certain question is x by 2, and the probability of not guessing the correct answer is 2 by 3. So then find the value of x. You know that if it is the probability of getting the answer correctly, then 1 minus x by 2 is the probability of getting the answer not correct. So this is, we have given 2 by 3, right? So you can transpose it, x by 2 to the right hand side, and it become positive x by 2, and 2 by 3 to the left hand side, it become minus 2 by 3. So x by 2 equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. X by 2 equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. If you subtract by taking LCM, you will get 1 by 3. So x is equal to, this 2 will come in the numerator and multiply with 2. So it is 2 by 3. Right? So you can see x is 2 by 3. So let us start the next question. A bag contains x white balls, y red balls, z blue balls, and a ball is drawn at the random. Then what is the probability of drawing a blue ball? Blue are z, okay, and total are x plus y plus z. So probability of a blue ball is z by x plus y plus z. So it's quite easy. So let us start the next question. 750 families with the 3 children are selected randomly, and the following data is recorded. The number of girls in the family: 0 girl, no girl, 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girls. So number of families having no girl is 120, having 1 girl is 220, having 2 girls is 310, and having 3 girls is 100. So if a family member is chosen at random, compute the probability that it has no it has no boy child. Okay, so let us see. I don't know what happened. So see, no boy. You can see here for the no boy child. So at first we will find the probability of no girl, then we will subtract it from 1. You can get no boy, right? So let us start. Here you know that no boy condition is, at first we have to find out the total, and total of 120, 220, 310 and 100 is 720, right? 750. Okay, so you can add 120 plus 220 plus 310 plus 100. So total outcomes is 750. Here is no girl child, right? And here is 1 girl child, 2 girl child, 3 girl child. So out of 3 we are getting, here we have given 3 children are choosing. So here are 3 girls, means no boy, 0 boy. So you can take 100, right? And out of 750 total. So this is the probability. You can cut here, 5 2s are 10, and 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 15, 2 by 15 is the answer. And second part is no girl child. It is the first condition. Here you can see no girl child. So it is 120 out of 750. So you can cut here, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. This is 4 by 25, right? So this is the solution. So let us start the next question. Here, if the probability of winning a race of an athlete is 1 by 6 less than the twice the probability of losing the race, find the probability of winning the race. Okay, so at first we have to check this condition, that the winning of race of an athlete is 1 by 6 less than the twice of probability of losing the race. So we can let here the probability of winning the race is p. So what is the probability of losing is 1 minus p, right? So further on, according to the statement given in the question, that probability of winning is 2 times the probability of loss, and it is 1 by 6 less. So you will minus 1 by 6 here. So this 2 ones are 2 and minus 2. Okay, you can take the LCM also here. There are many methods to solve this. So here it is taken LCM 6. So 6 2s are 12 into 1 minus p minus 1, and this 6 LCM is multiplied with p now because this is in denominator. So 6p equal to 12 minus 12p minus 1. So 12 minus 1 is 11 and probability is 11 by 18. So that's the solution. Let us come to the next question. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 150 times with the following frequencies of the different outcomes. Number of tails: no tail 25 times, 1 tail 30 times, 2 tails 32 times, and 3 tails 63 times, right? Now compute the probability of getting at least 2 tails. So at first we have to find out the total outcome. So you can see here. So you can see here total outcomes are 25 plus 30 plus 32 plus 63. That is after adding you will get 150. Okay. Now the total number of chances having at least 2. What the mean of at least is? Kam se kam 2. Okay. And less than 2 are also included. So we will add these. So you will get here 32 plus 63, that is 95. So the required probability is 95 by 150. After cutting you will get 19 by 30, right? So I hope you get this one. Exactly one tail. Here we have given exactly one tail. So how many times we have exactly one tail is, you can see here 30 times. So 30 by 150. I hope you understand the word at least. This will be 1 by 5. Exactly one tail is 1 by 5. And I hope you understand the word at least means kam se kam 2, means less than equal to 2. You will add all these, right? So let us start the next one. So you can see here the table shows the marks obtained by the students in unit test out of 50. So the unit test first marks obtained out of 50 is 34. Test 2 marks obtained 35, 3, 36, 4, 34, 5th and 37 marks out of 50. So find the probability that the students get 70% or more in the next unit test. Also the probability that the student get less than 70%. Okay. So here you can see that we have given this table. Because percentage lies in the 100, you know that percent means cent means a 3-digit number and a first 3-digit number is 100. So we will convert the 15 to 100 by taking the double. So 37 become, this was 34, double of 34 we will find here, then double of 35 we will find, double of 36, double of 34, double of 37. After finding this 50 become 100. Now a new table formed out of 100. Now total number of the outcomes means how many tests we have attempted is 5. So how many times the student get more than 70% marks? So here more than 70. So this is 74, 72, 70 and more. So we will take 70 also and more. This is 3 times out of 5. So probability is 3 by 5. And the second one is less than 70 degree. So out of 5, you know, 68, 2 times it comes 70, less than 70%. So these are 2 out of 5 tests. So probability will be 2 by 5. So let us start the next one. Here you can see the books are packed in the piles, each containing 2 books. 35 piles were examined for the defective books and the result are given as follows. So here some books are found defective, 35 books are found defective, right? So number of defective books and frequency we have given: no defective 400, 1 defective 180, 2 defective 48 and so on. So above 6 also we have given 2. So you can read the table. One pile has selected at random. What is the probability that it has no defective book? That is 400 out of these. So at first you will add all these for the total outcomes, right? And then the number of not defective means 400, no defective book, 400 by total, right? And more than 0 but less than 4. So more than 0 means we have start from 1 and less than 4. So we will add 1, 2 and 3, right? So I hope you understand. In the third one, more than 4 defective books means more than 4, not equal to 4. So we will add 5, 6 and above 6. So these 3 will be added, right? So let us start the solution. So total books were 700 and the probability of no defective book, 400 by 700, after cutting you will get 4 by 7. 0 but more than 0 but less than 4. So we will add 1, 2 and 3. Outcomes of 1, 2 and 3. These are 269 after adding and divided by 700, that is total outcomes. Now third part, more than 4 defective books. So it will more than 4, that is we will add the outcome of 5, 6 and above 6. One case is above 6 also. So we will add these 3 and we will get 13 by total outcomes 17. So this is the probability. So let us start the next question. Here 2 coins are tossed simultaneously for 360 times and the number of the times 2 tails appeared was 3 times no tail appeared, right? So and the number of times one tail appear is double the number of times no tail appears. So find the probability of getting 2 tails, right? So here we have given total outcomes is 360. So we can let here the no tail case, that is I'm letting x, you can let any variable. Then the number of times 2 tail appears is 3 times of no tail appear. So we will write 3x here, and the number of times one tail appears is 2 times of no tail appear, that is 2x. So this is the total outcomes, that is no tail appear, 1 tail appear, 2 tail appear. So this is x plus 2x plus 3x, we have given 360. So this is 6x equal to 360 and you can find x from here, that is 360 by 6 is 60. So the probability is probability of getting 2 tails is 3 times of x that we have given here. So 3 times of x was 60 we got and the total outcomes was 360. So you can cut here 6 6 ja 36, 3 1 ja and 3 2 ja, that is 1 by 2. So this is the solution, an important question. Come to the next question. See here 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 250 times and the 250 times and the distribution of the various outcomes we have listed below. 3 tails 30 times, 2 tails 70 times, 1 tail 90 times and no tail is at 60 times, right? Find the probability of each event and check that the sum of probability is 1. You know that sum of all the probability of the same case are 1. So here you can see the total outcomes is 250 and the total number of 3 tails from the table we can find is 30. So probability of 3 tails is 30 by 250. After cutting you will get 3 by 25. Then now the number of 2 tails is 70. So probability will be 70 by 250, that is 7 by 25. And the number of one tail is 90 times. So the probability is 90 by 25. That is after cutting 0 you will get 9 by 25. And the number of no tails is 60. So probability is 60 by 25. After cutting 0 you will get 6 by 25. Now you can verify here the sum of all these probabilities is 25 by 25, that is 1, right? So that is proved here. Let us start the next question. Here you can see that a travel company has 100 drivers for the driving buses for the various tourist destination. Given below is the table showing the resting time of the drivers after converting the certain distance in kilometers. So you can see here distance covered in kilometer after 80 kilometer, after 115 kilometer, after 155 kilometer, after 200 kilometer, and the number of drivers are 13, 47, 30 and 10, right? So let us start the question. What is the probability that the driver was chosen at random takes the halt after covering 80 kilometers. So you can see here 80 kilometer is 13, right? So 13 by the total. Take halt at covering 115 kilometer, that is 47. Taking the halt after 155 and 200 you can do easily, right? So the numbers we have given and we have to just find the probability. So here taken halt at covering 80 kilometer is 13 by 100, at 115 is 3 by 5, at 155 is 90 by 100, after cutting you will get 9 by 10, and after 200 is 10 and 10 by 100 is 10, 1 by 10, right? So this is the solution. So next questions we will cover in the next video. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.